Hello and welcome to today's class. Let's look at how to solve this integration question. Let's try to solve this together so we can have the experience on how to solve problems of this nature. So it says integrate x over 3 in a bracket 3 plus x over 4 dx. How do you solve this particular question? It's easy as this is man is integration. Now, it's being integration because I have the symbol integral, number one. Number two is that when it comes to integration there are two methods of solving integration. We have by substitution and by parts. Also by partial fraction, right? It leads to that state too. Now, in this case now, the best method to apply here is to apply substitution method, right? So I'll apply substitution method in the sense that follow procedure, please. Now look up, please. First task there, I'll call the thing in brackets, call it u. So let u to be equal to 3 plus x to the power 4. That's the first task. Now I'm seeing u, I'm seeing x. It's easy as I'll differentiate u with respect to x. So have du over dx to be equal to, if I differentiate 3 is a constant term, becomes 0. So I have 0 plus differentiate x to the power 4. I'll have 4s cubed as for the general method of differentiation. In excess now, the value of du over the x value will be equal to 4s cubed. To understand more about integration, I have done a full tutorial course for integration. To get a course, you can visit my website at www.ganiyu.com, or you can get the full course on my YouTube channel. Go to my YouTube channel under playlist, look for integration. I will show you what I'm saying in the screen. So look for integration. When you check the integration, you see a full course on integration from scratch to a pro level, right? So learn integration from there. So I expect that you know all this process.
I just launched my website www.ganiabukari.com, as you can see in the screen. In this website, you can get close to 4 to 5 tutorial courses that are there. So we have different courses there. Also, the book I just launched also is in the website. You can visit our website and get the courses you want to watch. And also, the video you're watching recently, you can get more of these interesting videos in the website. So do well to visit the website and also register an account with my website. See you guys in the website, and make sure you buy a course from the website to support our journey of this academic platform. Thank you guys and welcome to my channel.
At this junction now, I'll now make the x subject. So make the x subject. So make the x subject of the formula. I'll have that the x is equal to, just swap it. That becomes du over 4s cubed. On making the x subject, I have du over 4s cubed. Alright, at this point now, I'll not substitute. Substituting, all right, what do I get? I'll have that the integral of s cubed. So I have s cubed, right? We just said everything here, what I'm having here, and is u dot what's the x? The x is of course this, and the value is this. So that becomes du over 4s cubed. All right. Next task now, observe that this one here will cancel this. I'm left with the integral of u dot du over 4. Please, here's the concept. This man can still be broken down as the integral. Observe please, the integral, this one here. Now here's the concept. I have u, u dot 1 over 4 du. So 1 over 4 du is same thing as what? Du over 4. That is 1 times du gives you du over 4. That's all. Now, when it comes to integration, the idea is that you have to bring out the constant term outside the integral sign. So bring out 1 over 4, which is constant term. So 1 over 4 outside the integral sign. So integral. So 1 over 4 is this integral. I have next up u du. So I have u du. All right. If I integrate u with respect to the u, it's easy as add 1 to the power and repeat the power as a denominator.
I just launched a book called The Shortcut to Academic Success. In this book, I share a lot of experience on how I evaluated during my time in school. This method really helped me a lot. If you're interested in getting this book, simply chat me up through my WhatsApp number that is shown in the screen.
What do I mean? This now becomes 1 over 4. If I integrate u, I'll have u. Initially, there's a 1 here. Invisible 1. That becomes 1. I'll now add plus 1 all over. What I'm having here is what? 1 plus 1. Next up, plus c. Plus c. So plus c is called constant of integration. So if I integrate du, we expect that there's an invisible 1 here. That's the invisible 1 here. So the rule is that add 1 to the power this way and repeat the power downwards. So I'm saying that if I have the integral of x to x squared, for instance, with respect to dx, if I have to integrate this now, it's easy as saying I have x squared, add 1 to the power plus 1 all over. The power is what? 2 plus 1 plus c. This is like what I'm trying to say, establish here. From here, I'll have that my final answer becomes 1 times this gives you u squared all over 4. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 4 times 2 gives you 8 plus c. Now, I can leave my answer this way because u has a value which is, of course, 3 plus 4x to the power 4. So, in other words, my final answer becomes u is, of course, this. That's 3 plus x to the power 4. X to the power of 4. That's u square all over 8. I have 8. Next up plus c. This becomes my answer to this particular question. So let's solve this particular